Hey, how's it going, folks? ET here. We're doing a test. We have a 100-watt foldable solar panel connected to our Nintendo Switch Lite, which is on low battery flashing. I have my timer set, and we're gonna see how long it takes for it on a pretty sunny day here in Austin, Texas. All right, we'll check in with you a little bit later. Okay, let's get an update here. We're on 34 minutes and come on, focus, 1 bar. And it was on the red and it was blinking before. So, and we're back checking in on the old solar. We got 1 hour and 5 minutes so far. Let's make sure this Texas sun is not cooking our electronics here. Let's check out the old Switch Lite. See what we got. We are, looks like 50% in an hour. That's pretty darn good. All right, time for the next check-in. Let's see what we got going here. We are at 1 hour, 31 minutes. Let's see what the Switcheroonie has going. We are getting very close to full. Alrighty. I think we'll give it probably another 20-30 minutes. We should be good. Let's come back in about 20-30 minutes. Alrighty. We are at the 1 hour and 50-minute mark. Let's have a little check of the old Switcheroonie. Alrighty, just had lunch. Will it be done? We are on the 2 hour and 20-minute mark. Let us check. Oh, there we go. 94%. If you tap it, it tells you what the percentage is. Let's do that again. Okay, let's just wrap this test up. Oh, my phone is low battery. I should have plugged that in. 99%. We'll call that at 2 hours and 44 minutes. We're at 99% with the 100-watt RockPals folding solar panel. Okay, in this last clip here, I'm just showing the connectivity here. You have the little square box there that has 3 USB ports, 2 regular and 1 fast charge. And then you have built-in MC4 connectors that also plug into an adapter that you can plug into a power station like a Blue Eddy or like a Jackery or something like that. It's a pretty cool little solar panel here. It's the RockPals one. It's 100 watt. I definitely like it. Yeah, so I think the test was pretty successful. Charged my son's Switch Lite from 0 flashing red light to full charge in about 2 hours and 44 minutes, give or take. Thanks everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you next time. Peace and aloha.